To save documents in SolidWorks, go to File, click, and click Save Document. So you can navigate, you can search for your direction using these tabs, and we have options. That is the format we want to use to save our document. So you click this drop down arrow, you can select any format here. You can save as manufacturing format, PDF format, CATIA format. You have STL step format, SolidWorks composer format. You pick from here. So I'm going to select this part format, but you don't need to select if it is SolidWorks document. So then you put your part name. So first part. So click your save. That's how to save your document. And to open document, let's say you have an existing document that you want to open, click File, Open, and then you can select from here. Let's say you don't have it here, you can click which documents direction here, probably under your document, desktop, and you can select your folder, then pick from any of them. So I'm not opening folder, I'm not opening a document, I'm just trying to use this as an example. So that's how to save document in SolidWorks. Save this part, and if you want to open, I just show you that. So that's how to save and open document in SolidWorks.